delivering food to stray cats using RC car. Today I prepared cat shredded chicken for them. Add some meat sauce to the other half. Little cute freeze drying. Try to make the food look delicious. Let's stop here. The little guy came really early. Seems like he enjoyed it. Other cats will join soon. They really can. We have no hungry cat eating now. The third cat joined us. Those three are doing a good job. They will finish the plate soon. They're really surely finishing all that easily. What? Why the balance, bro? There's no food to fight.